Did you just have a wreck, or did you just have the tire? You got a. Did you have a wreck, or you just have a tire?
My girl hit a wreck, but you know what I'm saying, I just hit a flat tire. That's all.
Okay, I can sit back here with my flashers on, at least try to, you know, so you don't get sideswiped or hit or something.
That'd be. I'm about done, but
okay,
that'd be fine.
I'll just back up here and have my flashers on. You bet.
Thank you very much.
Nice guy. He's got a jacket that has marijuana leaves all over it. I do have to say, nothing says, "You'll be searching my car tonight, officer," in a state where weed is still illegal, like a jacket that has weed leaves all over it.